Exercise dice for kids. Fun-filled, quick-moving rolling dice game with hundreds of combinations to keep kids' bodies and minds engaged and active. Gets kids up and moving. Beat those lazy days with a fun, energetic game to uplift children ages 5 at school, camp or at home with friends with hundreds of combinations. Great for school gym class. Kids will love this soft dice activity game with a variety of fun movements and repetitions to keep them happy and healthy. Improve confidence energy. Games and activities help to accelerate gross motor skills, social interaction, self-esteem in young growing children, boys and girls ages 5 and up. Hundreds of combinations. Exercise and movements range from crab walks, jumping jacks, toe touches, karate kicks, giant steps and more in 6 possible repetitions. Top reviews from the United States. Great for focus and exercise. My grandson lives with me, and is supposed to do 30 minutes of activity in the morning before school. To help increase his focus ability while at school, it makes such a difference. It was getting kinda boring doing the same old stretches, jumping jacks, sit-ups. We got these dice and it's made it less of a chore and much more fun. They are much bigger than I imagined, because of the word dice. They're a great size for small hands to pick up, hold and roll. Just doing that can be exercise itself. But then making a game of the different combinations of numbers and activities really helps the 30 minutes go by so much faster, so he gets his morning exercise and ability to focus and has fun at the same time. These have so many possible uses, but this is how we use them. They are wonderful.